Kathryn here. Welcome to the Kathryn Convo, where I answer your questions, take you behind the scenes, and give myself liberty to talk about whatever I want. I think that there's going to be a part 4 to this, but I do think that it's time for part 3 of Welcome to My Crib. We've made significant updates since we last checked in, and I think it's about time we showed you. So here we go. I need to switch my camera view. Okay, we have this going on. I recently learned that my colors of couches are branded in CF Design School, something I didn't realize I was doing it, just indoctrinated on that, so maybe an SOS, maybe amazing. We got a coffee table tray thing. This vase came about 4 sizes bigger than anticipated, but ended up being cute, and I bought this little fake plant. The real game changer is this TV is up on the wall, which that just makes everything better. We hung up a mirror. And we have a Christmas tree, yay! We ran out of shelf space on our other bookshelf, so we started this one up, and can't wait to fill the whole thing up. Oh, it's so fun! We set up our bedroom in here. We are so close. We have a dresser, but they gave us 2 of the wrong pieces, or we're idiots, my personal assistant and we can't figure out how to do it. So that's happening there. But I always say, like, I'm brave, I'm always learning, and I'm a light to the world. So we just remember our I am statements. So brave, indomitable, always learning, resplendent, light to the world, mirror, never gave up. We got some art. If I'm being honest, it's like, I thought they kind of represent brave, always learning, light to the world. Maybe we can talk about that a little bit later too. But anyway, we're making some progress in here. If you're wondering why there's an extension cord, it's because the breaker broke on this, so we're waiting for maintenance to come and fix that, so you hate to see that. Okay, then we had a poinsettia, but it died over the weekend when I went home, so you hate to see that. Jesus, we love him. Oh yeah, we got some art. Okay, now for my favorite part of my house, which this is why there needs to be a part 4, is because this place, like, in my perfect vision, still has, not my perfect, next stop perfect vision, still has in my mind like 5 to 8 hours, which probably means like 12. So, but I want to show you what it looks like. Okay, so here we go. Here's the first thing that you guys know. Here we go. We have this going on. I just bought this really cool clock. Actually, maybe I could plug it in. You can see. Super cool that we're going to hang up above. But look how cool this is. Oh, that's disappointing. Okay. Failed demo. Never give up. We're not giving up. So that's pretty freaking cool. And that's going to be hung like right above there. So we can just see what the time is. We finally got the wall all set up. Do you guys see anybody that you know? Okay. Then we set up all the whiteboards, and I cannot even begin to tell you how much I love these whiteboards. It means the world to me. So you have all these whiteboards here. Now, these little scraps up here, if you look, I didn't want to poke a million holes in the wall, so I got this, like, I was going to buy cork board, but to buy 8x4 cork board costs like $150. So it's like, there's got to be a cheaper way. So this is actually just, it's like sound insulation, like acoustic stuff that I got from Home Depot, and these boards were just $15 each. Same with these. These are whiteboards from Home Depot, just $15 each, which is awesome. So we put that up there, and so the extra scraps we put along the side to act as bulletins, which is really cool. Then we have, this is like where the magic happens. It's pretty sunny right now. I just finished this book. Thank you so much to Comic Club for sending this to me. Holy freak, I have so many things to say about that, but it's gonna be another video. This is just, vision board. Then we have pictures of my family, pictures of that. And then this is where like the hours are gonna need to come, but it's gonna be great. But I wanted to make a wall. I am like an organized hoarder, I've learned about myself, and I wanted to make a wall that like told the story of myself and like this journey and like this movement that we're building and like the success stories of all my students. So I made this wall. So using the same stuff, we literally just put up, oh, Brittany Bailey got that for me. We just put up like all these things. Let's see, get my hand out so I can focus on the right things. Like on the air, blah, blah. This is like the original sketch that I made like X amount of years ago, the CF Design School funnel. It looks intense, and it kind of is, but it worked really well. That was like such an amazing event for me. Okay, you have to see this bear that I made. It's so cute, oh my gosh. So I served a mission for my church in California. So I made this bear to be a California bear. What? All the colors of the thing. Anyway, so putting this back on here. So every single thing on this wall has a story, and there's just so much more. So we have another neon sign. We have another neon sign coming up. And again, like literally stuff for days. Like you're like, how are we gonna fill that space? Like I cannot even begin to tell you like how much stuff that I just have to put up here, which is gonna be like all my tickets. Anyway, so I just think unlock the secrets. Like anyway, just so much cool stuff. I'm so excited to put it up. And then we're gonna do some coloring on here so that it looks a little bit cool. Like see how this is like this. There's like a bunch of colors and stuff. That's how we're gonna make this wall over here. So we've made some progress. There's still a long way to go, but we're never giving up, and I just feel so grateful and blessed to have this space. We were filming this morning, my branding director and I in here for CF Design School graduation, which is coming up on the 16th, which is also where, should I say? Okay, I'm gonna say where we'll be announcing who's speaking at Design Hacking Live, so kind of fun. And it was just so awesome to be like, okay, we need to like shoot in here. So it was all of a sudden it was like, okay, cool. We have one set here. We have one set here. We could shoot here. We could shoot here. Like we could shoot on this other wall. We could sit down. Like I was just so blessed to have that. My old office / room that I shared with my best friend was like from here over. And it used to be like an IKEA bunk bed. So like I slept on the top and my bed was on the bottom. So anyway, I just feel like very, very blessed to have this space and just gonna take over the world. If anyone's ever in Utah, you can come hang out in my office with me. I think I want to get some chairs here. I know. And do like live podcasts, live shows, collabs with people, and like deck this out. So like maybe put a TV right there and like have like a really cool set. I don't know, maybe a cooler rug. And do some really cool stuff over there too. So anyway, that's the update. It's definitely not 6:48 right now, but mostly welcome to my crib part 2. When this thing is all decked out, we'll have welcome to my crib part 4. Bye guys, thanks for watching.